Folks, it's Tuesday, October 15th. I'm in River Ridge, Louisiana. But we're moving bees out of a truck tire today. That's on the other side of the levee, close to the Mississippi River. And they've taken up about half the radius of this tire. So we're going to try to see what we can do. I don't know if we're going to be able to salvage much comb. So inevitably we may have to treat them like a swarm. Because, you know, the tire's on its side and you only have so much room to get in there. So I might have to be a little aggressive with this and just try to, you know, cage our queen. And I do have a 10 frame laying with me. So we're going to get into it. Hope y'all enjoy the removal. Alright. See some nice pretty white comb there. See there's a little more over here. Okay. And they got a little bunch. They've probably just been here a couple of months or so. I came by, I don't know, a week or so ago, sized this up, and we had bees covering literally, you know, the top of the tire all the way around. So it's October 15th, and see the goldenrod? All right. See him on there? They love that goldenrod. It's a good crop this year, folks, let me tell you. Real good crop this year. All right, let's get started with this removal.
Yeah. Piece of wood or the comb?
A little piece of comb on the wood.
Oh.
I might just have to try to run them out. I don't know what else to do to cut that thing. I don't know what else to do to cut that dang thing. Yeah, had the big grinder with the two different blades.
Yeah.
And that's really the way to go, but we're just gonna try a few things here. You know, they haven't been here a long time, and maybe we can run them out. I don't know. Maybe we get lucky and get the queen. So I'm just gonna try a few things here. And on top of everything else, we got a rainstorm. It's moving east from us, but still. Yeah, they haven't been here, like I said, a long time, folks. So we're gonna see if maybe we can get lucky. Just run them out, maybe get our queen. Let's see what we can do, you know. I think we can maybe pull this off. All right, here we go. We're going to try. See, we got quite a few on the outside here. We want to try to get them gravitating over to this high box here. We can get them doing that, and she may come out and follow them.
the comb?
Wanna try some honey?
Well, you get different combs, huh?
Yeah, they put honey in some. She lays eggs in some.
Oh, really?
And some they put pollen and nectar with, usually next to where she lays. That's food for the young bees.
Oh, that's cool.
What they eat is a fermented product, nectar and pollen. We call that bee bread. And that allows the young bees to manufacture royal jelly. And that's what the queen gets her whole life.
Okay.
And royal jelly actually is what makes a queen.
Oh.
Yeah, when they want to make a queen, they pick a worker egg. A very young larvae, and they feed it royal jelly.
You gotta clear all that out before you get to them combs, huh? They hang?
We got them running now.
Yeah.
The only problem is they're running that way. We need them to run this way. And these are killer bees, can you tell?
No.
They're killing me, man.
Yeah, I know. They got some aggressive, you said, huh?
Yeah, you get some that all.
No.
Man, that's good.
Yeah, that way they moving, huh?
Yeah. I don't want to spray it on them. I just want to get it kind of behind
They
them.
moving. Look, you can see them.
Oh yeah. I think I see him doing a march. There she is.
You see it?
Yep. Got her. All right.
Okay.
See?
Oh, yeah.
Back end.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah. He's the one, huh?
Pretty neat, huh?
Yeah.
She's a big girl, folks. See her in there? All right. I was afraid she was underneath the tire on the back side there, and we're going to have to maybe dig for her a little bit, but she came right on out. Yeah. See how we do that?
Yep.
Shake this. I sure hope y'all enjoyed the video. Another one from JPthebeeman. Having a pretty good day. I hope y'all are too. We'll see you on the next one. Till then, we're going to try to get these girls in there before it rains on us. And I'm looking right at a pretty rainbow. Look at that rainbow, Carrie. That's nice, huh? Show y'all, folks. The rainbow in there. All right. How about that, huh? All right. That's a fitting ending to this removal. So we're able to get them out that tire. We're gonna save this colony and make everybody happy, including the bees. Until the next one.